Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the AMG sports body styling along with the 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Sports suspension. A silk beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. A power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Alongside this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a nice wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, 64 color ambient lighting, power windows. Dropping in, we've got touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB port, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 37,173 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.